How to be successful in life. I think you'll agree with me when I say, some people spend their entire lives wondering how to be successful in life, but never figure it out. Would you be surprised to find out that the secret really comes down to 4 key areas? Well, it does. You see, personal success is achievable for anyone who practices the 4 areas, or keys to success as I call them. Everyone wants personal success and to learn the keys to success. Everyone wants to have a happy, healthy life, do meaningful work, and achieve financial independence. Everyone wants to make a difference in the world, to be significant, to have a positive impact on those around him or her. Everyone wants to do something wonderful with his or her life. Over and over, I have found that the keys to success are a single piece of information, a single idea at the right time, in the right situation, and change your life. I have also learned that the great truths are simple. We all have one common goal. Luckily for most of us, personal success is not a matter of background, intelligence, or native ability. It's not our family, friends, or contacts who enable us to do extraordinary things. Instead, the keys to success are our ability to get the very best out of ourselves under almost all conditions and circumstances. It is your ability to adapt and change your life. You have within you, right now, deep reserves of potential and ability that, if properly harnessed and channeled, will enable you to accomplish extraordinary things with your life. The 4 keys to success. The great keys to success to change your life have always been the same. 1. Decide exactly what you want and where you want to go. 2. Set a deadline and make a plan to get there. Remember, a goal is just a dream with a deadline. 3. Take action on your plan, do something every day to move toward your goal. 4. Resolve in advance that you will persist until you succeed, that you will never, ever give up. This formula is your key to success and has worked for almost everyone who has ever tried it. It will require the very most you can give and the best qualities you can develop. In developing and following these keys to personal success, you will evolve and grow to become an extraordinary person. Learn how to be successful from the experts to change your life. You will not live long enough to figure it all out for yourself. And what a waste it would be to try, when you can learn from others who have gone before. In one of many great quotes, Ben Franklin said, "Men can either buy their wisdom or they can borrow it from others." The great tragedy is that most men prefer to buy it, to pay full price in terms of time and treasure. Your greatest goal in life and in personal success should be to acquire as many of them as possible and then use them to help you do the things you want to do and become the person you want to become. Program yourself for personal success. You will change your life by achieving just one important goal. You create a pattern, a template for personal success in your subconscious mind. You will change your life and be automatically directed and driven towards repeating that success in other things that you attempt. By overcoming adversity and achieving one great goal in any area, you will program yourself for success in other areas as well. In other words, you learn to succeed by succeeding. The more you achieve, the more you can achieve. Each of the keys to success, especially the first one, builds your confidence and belief that you will be successful next time and achieve ultimate personal success. Unlimited potential. The only real limits on what you can do, have, or be are self-imposed. Once you make a clear, unequivocal decision to change your life by casting off all your mental limitations and throw your whole heart into the accomplishment of some great goal.